In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few things to watch out for so you don't accidentally disrupt your team's workflow. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're working in the correct area where the statuses you want to manage actually live. Statuses are controlled at the space or list level, so being in the right place matters. Next, head into the space that contains the work you want to clean up. Spaces are the highest level folders for your projects and workflows, and this is where your default status sets are usually defined. Once you're in the right space, switch to the board view. Board view groups tasks by status, which makes it easier to see how your workflow is set up and to confirm you're editing the right thing. Now click into a task on that board. Opening a task from this space gives you quick access to the menus you need. Look for the three-dot menu. You'll typically see it near the task or in the view controls depending on your layout. Click that menu, then choose Edit Statuses. This opens the status editor for the current space or list where you can add, rename, reorder, and remove statuses. Inside the editor, locate the active task's current status so you can confirm you're adjusting the correct workflow stage. With that context, find the status you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu next to that status to bring up its options, then select Delete Status. Before you confirm, take a moment to consider the impact. Deleting a status removes it from the workflow, and any tasks sitting in that status will need to be moved. ClickUp may prompt you to map those tasks to a different status, such as a general to-do or in progress. Choose the best destination so nothing gets lost. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good idea to tell them about the change, especially if automations, dashboards, or filters rely on that status name. If you don't see the delete option, you might be looking at a protected or template-based set of statuses, or you may not have permission to edit workflows in this space. In that case, check with an admin or switch to the correct space or list where editing is allowed. Once deleted, close the editor and return to your board view to confirm the column is gone and your tasks are mapped correctly. That's it. Your statuses are now cleaned up and your workflow should be simpler and clearer.